Okay, good morning. Welcome back. 10th C, 10th B Science 1 lecture. Chapter number 5 till anomalous behavior of water with 5 example. Among that, one example they will ask is a reason 101%. Same reasoning. On decreasing in the temperature, volume decrease. On increasing in the temperature, volume increase. This is on okay till 4 degree temperature. Below 4 degree temperature, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. In decreasing in the temperature, volume instead of contracting, decreasing, it will increase. This is called the anomalous behavior of water. That is why density of ice is less than the water. That is why always it float. And it form ice sheet on a pond. So below ice at 4 degree temperature, water, animal and plant can survive. Crack into the mountain, crack into plastic or glass bottle in a freeze, crack in the pipeline in the winter. These are the 5 examples based on anomalous behavior of water. This topic is very important. So we will start with the small topic, heat. What is the heat? A level of temperature. Now units of heat. Very important. One is kilocalorie. One is only calorie. One kilocalorie is a big unit of heat. 1 calorie, it is a small unit of heat. How to define? What is the definition of 1 kilocalorie? What is the definition of 1 calorie? Any one you have to buy hard. Only one word you have to change. So from here to here, here to here, you can write formula. Take 1 kilogram water. Yes, 1 kilogram. Because number of liter is exactly equal to number of kilogram. For water only. How much kg water is that much liter water? How much liter water, that is that much kg water. For oil, for petrol, for diesel, for milk, you can't say 1 liter is equal to 1 kg. For water you can say 1 kg is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter it is 1 kg. Why? Anybody can tell me out of this 29 student? Why rest of liquid are not 1 kg is equal to 1 liter or 1 liter is equal to 1 kg, but only the water, one and only one water is 1 kg is equal to 1 liter, 1 liter is equal to 1 kg. Why? Anybody can argue? Sujal Kadam, Anis Jaiswal. I have asked 2 times. Now reply. Why only among all the liquid only the water is 1 kg is equal to 1 liter, 1 liter is equal to 1 kg? Why? Among all the liquid, the density of water is 1. Density is equal to mass per volume. When mass and volume both are equal, at that time the density is 1. So other liquid, if you will take 1 liter, it will be less than 1 kg. So density is not 1. Water's density is 1. That is why 1 kg is equal to 1 liter. Now again come to the basic point. They'll ask, write the units of heat. Units of heat are kilocalorie and calorie. Then they can ask, write the definition for 1 kilocalorie heat or 1 calorie heat. 1 kilocalorie and 1 calorie heat. Definition now. Take 1 gram of water, 1 kilogram of water. 1 kilogram means 1 liter. Measure the temperature. Suppose it is 10 degree. Supply heat and just increase 1 degree. And how much heat you have supplied for 1 kg? That is 1 kilocalorie. Now take 40 degree temperature water. Give heat, make it 41 degree. Increase by 1 degree, increase by 1 degree. Whatever the heat supply, that is 1 calorie. Now take 80 degree. Make it 81 degree centigrade. Whatever the heat supply, three example I have. One kilocalorie water I have explained that 1 kilogram of water raising the temperature by 1 degree from 14.5 to 15.5, and instead of kilogram, if you will use gram, you will get the calorie definition, 1 calorie definition. 3 different material in same boiling water. If you put on a wax one will melt more wax, one will melt less wax, means it release less energy, absorb less energy. It release more energy because absorb more energy. So temperature is same, but absorbing power is different from the different matter, for different matter. So the absorbing power of metal, that is a specific heat capacity. uh, the amount unit mass, for the unit mass of that metal, if we raise 1 degree temperature, that is known as the specific capacity. So then a new topic, exchange of heat. One test tube contain 10 degree, second test tube contain 50 degree. Mix it into another one big test tube. Now this is a mixture of 10 and 40. What will be the temperature? It will be 10 plus 50 divided by 2, 60 divided by 2, it is 30. So this is 30 degree temperature. Why? If it is 30, from 10 to 30 means minus 10, minus 20. 50 to 30, sorry, plus 10, here minus 20, minus, plus 20, minus 20. 10 and 15, 10, 50. Mixture average is 30. So this A is water, gain 20 degree. B water from 50 to 30, lost 20 degree. So what is that? Heat exchange when hot and cold substance comes in contact. Hot and cold substance comes in contact. At that time, cold substance will gain the heat energy. Hot substance will lose the heat energy. But that is equal. How much gain, that much release. So the heat energy lost by hot substance is exactly equal to the heat energy absorbed. How much is minus, that much is plus. So the heat energy lost by hot substance is exactly equal to the heat absorbed by cold substance. Or ulta you can write, the heat energy absorbed or a gain by cool object, that is exactly equal to the heat energy released by hot substance. Mixing method in calorimeter, that is Q, it is Q1 plus Q2. Why? Because in a wooden box there is a calorimeter. There one is lead and here the bottom. Here the non-conducting substance. And here one stirrer, here one thermometer. This is stirrer, just a rod of metal. This is second one is the thermometer. So calorimeter contain two type of the substance. One is calorimeter which is made up of copper metal, and inside that there is a water. So with any hot substance you will put in this calorimeter, so this hot substance will release the energy. This will gain by two things, water and calorimeter. It will be gained by water and calorimeter. Follow? So these are the overall topic. When the temperature increase. It is MCT. You can say delta T. M means mass of the object. Suppose 10 gram of the water we have taken. So here 10 gram. C means the specific heat capacity. Why the specific heat capacity of water is 1? Why the density is also 1? That I have given the reason. That the mass and volume is the same. Delta T means decreasing in the temperature. Voice is clear now, Sujal, ducks are cracking. It is soft and clear, no any disturbance are there, voice is coming or word are breaking or what, anything? When I put this book on this, no, so any button. M is the mass of the object. C means the specific heat capacity of that object. Delta T means it increase in the temperature from 80 to 90. So 10. From 70 to 90, 20. From 50 to 65, 50. So this is the difference of the temperature. So that we will see in the word problem, don't worry. Here the topic of this are clear. Algebra I have finished syllabus, geometry also I have finished the syllabus. In this numericals I will explain on board. Next one lesson is remain, that is refraction, my one of the best and favorite chapter, refraction, and then to very super duper reflection of light through the lens. And one more chapter I have to do from science 2 that madam just now have asked. So in next week numericals and 2 chapter, one chapter from science 1, one chapter from science 2 and numericals. So next week 4 lectures we have, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday 2 lectures. So within 4 lectures, including doubts, including these 2 chapters, including numericals, in 4 hour 4 lecture I will try to complete. So you will be free in September. Full October we will do the revision. 2 times we will meet I think for 4 hours, so 8 hours for the revision. That is more than enough. At that time you prepare with your all questions, that which type of the questions related to the syllabus, related to some topic, related to the reduced portion. Okay, paper pattern, whatever your doubts are there, I'll surely answer, and doubt solving extra lecture also I'll conduct. So follow 2 lectures, 2 chapters. Science 1 chapter, science 2, 1 chapter, numericals and doubt solving. These are the program. For next week there are 4 lecture, science 1, science 2, numericals, question answer. Okay, thank you.